Hi, today we're going to be installing the lovely Tesla vertical screen on the Land Rover Freelander. Now this will fit the 2007 to 14 model, and we'll show you this bad boy today. I'm going to be fitting a rear camera on this car too. Now look at this. Now that's a bad boy, isn't it? So as we'll crack on with the job, we'll be showing you a little bit more later on in the video. Thanks a lot, bye-bye. This is the system we're going to be replacing today. Hi guys, just going to show you the end result on this Freelander 2 Tesla screen that we fitted in a car. It comes in a 12.1 inch screen and with a PX6 core board and 232 gig of RAM. I'm just going to show you a few features of the system today, and for the purpose of the demonstration, I've set up my phone to enable the CarPlay to work. As you can see, it's got all the CarPlay apps on there. Now it's also got Android Auto, which obviously would work with an Android phone, but I'm personally an iPhone user, so I don't have an Android phone to be able to show you, but if you're familiar with Android Auto, you'll know what you'll get on the screen. So I'm just going to go back out into the main interface of the system and just go in. This is the MP3 player, which basically it's playing a demo song at the moment that's already pre-installed onto the firmware, but this is where you would play your MP3s and also the Bluetooth music, which is obviously how you would stream your music from your phone onto the system. Now if you press on that navigation, it's got Wave, which is already been pre-installed by us direct onto the system, but you can obviously download any map of your choice. It comes with Google Maps pre-installed already, but you can download any from the Play Store and download them direct onto the system. And the system has got a pre-installed Play Store. Now I'm just going to turn the music off, only for the reason being is because obviously YouTube tends to add a copyright claim on there when we try and upload videos with different sounds from other artists, so I'm just going to keep the sound off for now. So I'm just going to go through the Bluetooth. Okay, so the Bluetooth, which will come up down there, which is obviously shows you phone box support, caller ID, that allows you to use the touch screen to make your calls, recent phone calls, keypad, allows you to connect your phone to it, and now we'll go on to the movie app, which your movie's down there. Now obviously it's in a split screen, but you can obviously turn your maps off and get it in full screen. Okay, Google, self-explanatory, it's just your Google. Now the good thing with this is it does have voice recognition search, so obviously you can use the voice icon and search for things close by or whatever you want. Explorer, that's just another browser. Phone link is mirror link. Apps here would be any applications that you would download from the Play Store would show up here. As you can see, Waze is on there and a few other. Prime Video, Z-Link, which is the CarPlay, Prime Video I've already said, sorry, Gmail, Easy Connect, so that's where you would download your applications to. DVD, no disc in there, so obviously you can play DVDs through a USB pen onto the system. File manager here would be how you would upload APKs from an external USB storage stick, in case you didn't want to go through the Google Play Store. Just show you some of the settings. Okay, down here you'd have back-end settings, which allows you to customize certain features of the system. You'd also go into here, which would then show you Wi-Fi and network, connected devices, sound options to control the sensitivity on certain features of the car, like Bluetooth calls and stuff like that. Obviously change your languages, keyboards, dates and times done through there. So I hope you liked the video, and sorry it's only short, but obviously if you need any more details, get in touch with us. We're on the website is www.iceboxauto.com. We're a UK seller, 2 years warranty, lots of other advantages of dealing with us, so get in touch with us and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.